Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia, back with more special Happy Mail for my Christmas challenge giveaway. It just recently ended, and so the next days I'll be showing you the remaining entries that I did receive. This next one comes from Sierra from Cooley Craft Corner. She is new to our crafting community. She has wonderful thrift hauls, and she's also shared some of her first junk journals, so you have to make sure to check it out. She's also joined some wonderful swaps, so make sure to check her channel out. So Sierra, thank you so much. Let's read the card. Love this, and I am excited. So she was my partner for a swap that Carol from Crinkled Pat had. It was a Christmas in July swap, and we had so much fun. And look at this vintage card. Oh my gosh, I love this. Let me read it. It says, Dear Karamia, may your Christmas be filled with family time and joy. Oh yes, looking forward to the holidays. Merry Christmas, Sierra at Cooley Craft Corner. And here is the beautiful message within the card. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And she has made me, oh my gosh, a boho snippet. Let me just pull it out this way and show you what she's done. I love it. Loving the colors and the trim. Look at these paisley fabric here, and it's textured. Oh my god, I see birds. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so beautiful and so soft. And I love this. That is a great idea to kind of create a nesting here at the bottom with your button with these little eyelash trim. I have so many that were gifted to me by Christine from Kawaii Memo Love, so I'm excited to try this. This is a great idea, Sierra. And this one too, love that. Wow, what a beautiful boho style fabric snippet. And look at that gold. Now the back side, oh my gosh, they're birds. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. That is so cute. Let me just see what you did here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she had topped it with some of this sheer. That's why you can see the birds peeking through underneath the fabric that she had placed on top, it looks like. But that is just pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Again, Sierra, thank you so much for your entry and good luck. Again, guys, watch the playlist. There's so much inspiration from all the entries. You'll see fabric snippets, ATC cards, and memory decks cards. Wishing you all a wonderful week ahead. Thanks again for watching. Bye.